How interesting. What is that?
I present to you a universal super tool!
This is amazing!
It'll make your white sneakers simply sparkle. Now let me demonstrate.
What's going on here? Sammy, is this my new toothbrush? I just bought it yesterday.
What? Is that a outrageous? No, where are you going? All my potential customers are gone!
What do we have here? A black canvas, a toothbrush? This might actually be interesting.
Huh? Interesting? So I don't get it! Tell me!
Hi y'all! We haven't drawn in a while, have we? This video will especially appeal to those who also have a damaged toothbrush like me now. Thanks, Sammy.
Oh, come on, Susie. You always criticize my business ideas.
And you always take my things without asking. This one. Let's add a few drops of purple now. Hop. And this spot clearly misses brightness. And this one as well.
This somehow does look like a toothpaste. I got it! Sue, we'll be painting with a toothbrush instead of a brush, right?
That's right. But there's even more to that. And now, look carefully, because we won't be able to repeat it.
Wow, this is top-notch, Sue. But I bet we can repeat it. All right.
Oh, what a clever slime you are, Sammy. Now we need to level the layer of paint like this.
Oh, wait. I want to try to do that too.
Go ahead.
Let's rub it here and a little bit more. Wow, this is fun. Oh, let me paint you too, Susie.
Sammy, cut it out. We'll use more paint to brighten up here and there and to add some accents. The main thing is to paint over this part of the canvas evenly.
I just don't get what exactly I were drawing. An abstraction?
Hold your horses. Soon you'll know everything.
Oh, it looks like something multicolored is falling down from above. I got it! It's a rainbow rain! Run!
Come on, Sam. Although you are right and there really is water in this picture, it'll be a beautiful deep sea, and right on the shore of the sea has grown
a colorful jungle, and no one knows who lives in its thicket. But I'll defeat him.
Stop distracting me! And now we need to make some horizontal strokes like this. A couple of more smooth movements and we'll no longer need a toothbrush.
And then what? Just boring painting with a paintbrush?
Well, I wouldn't say that. Just what we need. And now the fun part.
They call me a crafter indeed. I'm the king of a slimy beat. When I play the maracas, I go chick, chicky bum, chick, chicky bum.
A little bit more and this step is done.
Really? Show me what we've got.
3, 2, 1. Now we have water, land, and this starry sky. Let's keep going.
Susie, hello? Where are you? Sue, where did you go? Hello? Oh, where are you? Susan! Oh, there you are.
I just went for some masking tape. With its help, we'll get a beautiful smooth horizon line, like this.
Easy peasy. Give me that.
Here you go.
No, not like that. We need Samuel Magnifique. Ooh la la. Now I'll show you how it's done. Oh, Monsieur Magnifique knows exactly how to draw these. Whoopsie. Sorry, Susie. Samuel Magnifique is on his game today.
Don't worry, neither of you spoiled our picture. And with a slight movement, whoosh!
Oh, this is such a relief. Thumbs up if you agree, people.
And we continue to work with black paint. Obviously, it's night here on the picture, and in the dark, many objects seem just black.
What? First a toothbrush, now a sponge? Do we have anything left in the bathroom?
The main thing is that we will have this wonderful picture.
Oh, by the way, you still haven't said what exactly we're drawing here.
Right now, I'm drawing a cute little boat. Let's add a shadow from it on the water like this. It's not difficult at all.
Susan, stop avoiding the answer. Whoa! Oh no! Well, now I definitely
Oh,
ruined
Sammy, you should be more careful. Hail Tibet Daba, I know how to fix the situation this time too.
If I knew what to draw, I would help you.
Okay, I'll tell you.
Really?
This multicolored splendor actually is a city with many tall multi-story buildings. And this pink skyscraper is the highest of them.
Aha! Let's call it Sam's skyscraper. What? It sounds great, right?
Well, then you can draw the windows in it.
Hooray!
Here, check this out. You just need to do horizontal strokes. And to make the buildings differ from each other, you can do this.
Oh, don't teach him, Master Susie. This is my skyscraper. I'll think of something.
Well, no one doubts about that. And a door. Sammy, how are things on the other side of the picture?
It's fine. I'm not. So many windows. Whoa.
Poor little fella. Then I announce a short break. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Hey, Sammy, how are you doing back there?
You know, I was looking out the window of my room and I realized there are not so many tall buildings in our city.
Well, who told you that I'm drawing our city? Maybe this is where I want to live. Or it's some kind of fabulous place that does not exist yet.
Fabulous, you say? Oh, that would be nice.
Hey, Sammy, buy a toothbrush. Buy a toothbrush.
Ooh, that was just my imagination.
What, a bit of the wrong dream, huh?
Yeah, let's speed up, Sue, so that I don't dream of anything else.
Anything to make you happy. Great! We only need to add a few tiny details. This way it'll seem that the picture emits light. We'll add such lanterns here and there along the entire coastline.
Are you calling these tiny little things lanterns? I would have never guessed.
And what do you say if I do this? And now I'll do this as well. What will Monsieur Samuel say?
Oh, those reflections on the water are beautiful.
Why, thank you, Mr. Great Art Critic. Well, let's add light to the boat. Alright. And now we'll draw its reflections in the water. Awesome. Now let's proceed and… Who finished this?
A real master cannot pass by brushes and paints.
Well, thanks. It only remains for me to add a few details here.
Hey, psst, have you noticed that Sue is working with a different color now? Then give her a thumbs up.
And a finishing touch. Hop, hop. Let's draw a few of these things down here on the embankment. And we'll add a few more here, right on the roofs of the houses.
And on the roof of the Sam skyscraper too?
No, it's already beautiful as it is. Here we go.
Alrighty, Sue is doing the finishing touches, which means soon we can check out our painting! Sam skyscraper.
I will give 200 Oreos.
200, great. Who gives more?
Me, I'm here. 235.
235, says the lady in the sweater. 235 once, 235
Sammy, again? How many times do I have to ask not to touch my things?
Why, I beg your pardon, your things? I'm selling my skyscraper.
This painting will hang in my room. It matches the interior. Friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I'm looking forward to our next meeting.
See you later, and don't forget to hit the bell.